Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some brown stew turkey neck. So if you want to see and how I make it, continue to watch this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and give me a big thumbs up, okay? Stay tuned. So now that my turkey neck is all washed and clean, so these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of jerk seasoning, and that's the powder one. I also have 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Yes, and I'm also gonna add a Maggi stock cube. And this is all of my herbs. Here I have half onion to 1 onion, 1 teaspoon of pimento seed, 2 stalk of scallion, fresh thyme, and I also have 4 cloves of garlic and some ginger, at least 2 tablespoons of ginger. And I'm also gonna add some scotch bonnet pepper, but not a lot because I don't want it to be too spicy. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna add some olive oil to my turkey neck. And guys, this is the amount of turkey neck I'm gonna use. I'm not sure how much pound it is, okay? But as you can see, it is good amount. Yeah. My seasoning. And you just wanna blend it up together like so. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then just add it. And I'm gonna leave back some, guys, okay? When I'm stewing down my turkey neck, I'll add it later on in the video. So I'm gonna leave back this amount. I'm gonna add all my herbs. And my chicken stock cube. Just gonna press it down. So that's my chicken stock cube. And guys, I'm gonna add some browning, but you don't need to add a lot of browning, okay? I'm gonna add a little as a time. This is 1 teaspoon, because you don't want it to be too dark. Yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna overdo it. Then I'm just gonna take my nice clean hand and just massage it all in. So guys, I'm not gonna add no more browning. This is all I'm gonna add for now. When I'm stewing it down, I'll add some more. Look at that color already. It looks so good. It looks good, guys, and it's not even finished. And one thing I like with turkey neck, guys, it look like oxtail. Yeah. It's shaped just like oxtail. This is like the ghetto oxtail. I already have a video on my channel on how I make turkey neck, but this is gonna be a different one because I'm gonna add some spinners, some dumpling to it. So that's finished, guys, and you can always leave it to marinate for at least 1 hour overnight. But guys, if you don't have the patience, like sometimes I don't, you can always cook it as it is, and trust me, it's still gonna taste good. It's still gonna be delicious because I do it all the times and it still tastes nice. Yes, so that's nicely seasoning. Perfect. So guys, here I have my pot and my stove, and to my pot I add just over 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry my turkey neck for at least 3 minutes on each side, just for it to brown up. If you want, you can always add the whole thing to the pot and just cook it like so. But I already have a video on how I do it, so you guys can go and check it out. But I just want to do a different method today, okay? So I'm just gonna fry it instead of just add the whole thing to the pot. Just gonna brown it up. Make sure there's no onions or nothing like that get into the pot. I'm not gonna add everything in there at once, but just make sure they are all spaced out. So now guys, I'm just gonna turn my turkey neck. As you can see, it is nice and brown. That's exactly how you want it. That's perfect. So as soon as it is all brown, now I'm gonna remove it, okay? Gonna put it in my plate. So guys, all my turkey neck is all finished. So here I have my pot on my stove, and this is the same oil guys that I used to fry my turkey neck, but I didn't use all the oil. I use at least 3 teaspoons, yes, because guys, this is where all the flavor is, so that's why I haven't changed it and add a brand new oil. So now I'm gonna add 1 tomato and 2 carrots to my pot and just allow it to saute for at least 1 minute or so, okay? Yes. So after it is all sauté, now guys, to the same bowl that I season my turkey neck, I'm gonna add at least 2 cups of hot water to it. Yes. You want to make sure that you stir it. Now I'm just gonna add it to my pot. You're gonna add all your herbs as well. I'm gonna add my remaining seasoning and at least 1 teaspoon of salt, and you can always taste your liking, yeah? Give it a stir. I'm telling you guys, it smells so good. And I'm gonna also add some bottle jerk seasoning, okay? And this is the wet jerk seasoning. And I'm adding 1 spoon. This is just gonna give it so much flavor, guys, so much flavor. And now I'm gonna add my turkey neck. And guys, it is nice and brown. This is exactly how you want it. If you want, you can always pressure it so it cooks faster. Just pour all that excess liquid. So as I said, I'm just gonna allow it to cook for at least 25 to 30 minutes, okay? And my stove is on a medium heat. Don't turn it up too high. I'm gonna cover my pot, or you can just half cover it so it doesn't boil over. Just keep an eye on it. So guys, while my turkey neck is cooking, here I have 1.5 cup of plain flour to my bowl, and I also add at least 1 teaspoon of salt, because as I said, I'm gonna add some dumplings, some spinners to my turkey neck, okay? So now I'm just gonna knead my dumpling, and I'm just adding a little bit of water at a time. But this is totally optional. You don't have to do it. You can always skip it out. If it's too sticky, you can always add some more flour to it, okay? So my dumpling is nicely kneaded, and that's perfect. It is nicely kneaded, guys, so it is all finished. Perfect. So guys, my turkey neck been cooking just over 30 minutes, and what I did, I just removed the lid from it. So this is what it look like. It is not yet finished, but it is just a bit tender. Yes, that's why I said if you use a pressure cooker, it cook more faster. Yeah, it is very steamy. So what I'm gonna do, as you can see, the water is reducing, so I'm gonna add at least 1 cup of water, okay? I'm gonna give it a stir. So after I add the water, I'm gonna add some more of my fresh thyme, some scallion, and some onion. Not a lot, just a small amount. And I'm gonna also add 1 spoon of butter and some more of my all-purpose seasoning, at least 1 tablespoon. I'm gonna give it a stir. Look at that. Super, super delicious. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. And then I'm gonna also add my dumplings. And what you want to do, guys, you just want to take a small amount of your dough, yeah, like this, and you want to roll it. So this is spinners, yeah, like so. So I'm just gonna add just a few of it in my pot. But as I said, it is totally optional, but trust me, it's gonna make your turkey neck be so delicious. So this is all the dumpling that I'm adding. Then I'm just gonna take my time and just give it a stir, okay? Like so. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna leave it for at least 25 minutes, okay? Just for now. So this is what my turkey neck look like, guys. It look absolutely delicious. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It looks so good. So now, guys, I'm gonna add some broad beans, yeah? And I'm gonna add 1 can. They already pre-cooked. And I'm also gonna add some ketchup. At least 3 to 2 spoons of ketchup. And this is totally optional, but I'm gonna add some sugar to it, at least 1 spoon of sugar. But what the sugar does, guys, it blend out the taste from the ketchup, yes, and it add a niceness to your gravy. So that's why, but it is totally optional. So I'm just gonna leave it for at least 10 minutes and it is ready. The turkey neck is nice and tender. They are perfectly cooked. So my stewed turkey neck is all finished, and this is what it look like. I removed the lid from it, guys, and I turned my stove down because I don't want that extra heat to get into the camera, so you guys can't be able to see it, okay? I'm telling you, it look amazing. The gravy is nice and thick. Oh my goodness. Honestly, guys, this recipe is a must try. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, away I wait pan. Subscribe right now and hit your notification bell for whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it. So I serve mine with some gungo rice and peas, some plantain, and some salad. Guys, if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling, no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye, guys. Much love.